Hello, I'm going to show you Korean's books. So, for school, and this is Korean books for high school, 고등학교 국어, 한국어, but we delay tan and 국어, Koreans. So, Korean books, for example, these are contents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have 2 semester, first 1학기 and then second semester 2학기. So we learned half for first semester and then the other half for second semester. So we learn something like basic start, explanation, what we will learn, and then like some poetry, and then how we work for this one. So with other students, like talk or debate or share your opinions and make some report, like that kind of job. And application is 적용. So like a little similar article we read, and then summary, self-summary. So you check what you learned for this chapter. So this kind of, and then it's this long article, like an essay or something. So this is Korean books, and this is helping books for textbook. So at school you put this in your cabins, and this one at home you can study. So it's the same content, but this is more detailed because textbook is very compact, very summary, like thousands years knowledge from ancestor. We learned only this much for this semester. So it means this is sometimes some word is very hard to understand, but there is not many explanation are here. So we need some helping books, not to find every detail in the dictionary or in the internet. So same one, but it gives more explanation to understand better than textbook. So textbook with the teacher we study, and then if you are not really understand, like you need more study, then you can see this book. So for preview or after review, you can study at home with this for your basic level. So same one, and then have like poetry before we saw, and have more detailed information about this word and the meaning of this, and more explanation about this poetry than textbook. And this one you have to buy, but if you are a little poor students, like your background, your parents cannot buy this for you, then the government, like from the bottom, 10% or 20% students get this book for free from the library, from the bookstore. Of course, you need some proof or document to prove it. So yes, these are more detail, and also a little sample question they have, so you can solve the sample if you understand better or not. So you can check your level. So if you feel these are not enough to finish for this chapter, this book is not question book, so like workbook, so you need more book like this. So this is more reference books, and this is more real activity to check your understand. So this have also same context, but a little shorter explanation, like very summary, like that poetry, and shortly kind of summary books, and level 1, and then level 2, and then level 3. So level 3 is the hardest one, and then this is intermediate one. So you should study this, and if you want to go to a good university, for example, Seoul University in Korea, the top university in Korea, then you should study this part more because it's the highest university in Korea. So you should study more. And if you finish this and you feel not enough because it doesn't have many top 3 level, so like this or this, you can buy more books, extra books to study more. So you can check these books and then you can study these books. This book has more question, right? Check 3, so more books. And then this books is also another checking books, so you can have a more question, right? So you can study. And this one is for entrance exam, like SAT in America. In Korea, 수능. For 수능, we study this book. So this is answering books. This is answer, and this is, so these are in answer. This is question. So you can study like this, and then it's for more entrance exam, and this is more for school exam. So some smart students, really hard to studying students, they solve a lot of books to be perfect. So that is math, and every subject have those books. So this is math. This is math. So math and Koreans and English, science and social. No, science and history or social are 6 subjects are most important. And this one is study math. So math as well. This is high level math and very hard. Not World Olympiad level, but pretty hard to solve in a short time. So we need practice. And step 3, that is a little Olympiad levels. And this one also entrance exam levels for university. So we should study those books because the textbook is not enough to be an expert, to do something in the future. So this is answering sheet. So if you cannot understand, for example, this problem, and there is some explanation. So if you can understand the explanation about this question, then you should ask to your teacher, or you should go 학원, the private institute. So have to ask to make sure to understand this question. So that is Korean students' way to study if you want to study, if the students want to study. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.